Just see if she'll stick her paw in it. That'd be a good picture.
One player that's been relatively quiet for the Washington Capitals has been Jason Arnott. Had a good, solid first 2 games.
Their nose right in there. You smile for the picture. Oh, that's just cute. Watch her not use her paw just because you're doing that. Oh, she just kept thinking about it. I don't know if it gets all over the furniture. It's like kids putting their fingers in their pudding or something. She sticks right. Like her whole nose is right down to the bottom of the yogurt cup. Don't scare her. Just what are you doing watching me eat? Why don't you lick some of the stuff off the top and you don't get your nose all yogurty? There's still some on top a little bit on the edge. Oh, Washington scored. Now they're tied. I just got it on her paw. I can see it. A piece of the hair is stuck on it. You make sure you wipe your paws on the towel, not the towel. She's got some on her paw. It's going to get all over the furniture. You gotta wipe your paws off. You lick that paw and you lick all that yogurt off her. Because I can see it. It's all yucky on her paw, the long parts of the fur. Come on, you lick your paw off. Oh, look at that. Geez, I need to clean it.